Are you looking to take your sports performance to the next level? Look no further than your plate. Nutrition plays a vital role in maximizing athletic performance, helping you achieve your goals and reach new heights. In this video, we will dive into the world of nutrition and sports performance, guiding you on how to optimize your diet for optimal results. Fueling your body with the right nutrients can make a world of difference in terms of strength, endurance, and recovery. From carbohydrates to proteins, vitamins to minerals, each component of your diet contributes to your athletic performance. The importance of nutrition in sports performance. Proper nutrition is the foundation of sports performance. Without the right nutrients, your body won't have the energy or resources it needs to perform at its best. Nutrition provides the fuel for your muscles, helps with muscle repair and recovery, and supports overall health and well-being. Carbohydrates are the primary source of energy for athletes. They are broken down into glucose, which is then used by the body as fuel. Complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, provide a steady release of energy, while simple carbohydrates, like sugars, can provide quick bursts of energy. Proteins are essential for muscle repair and growth. They are made up of amino acids, which are the building blocks of muscle tissue. Good sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, and plant-based sources like legumes, tofu, and tempeh. Fats are another important macronutrient for athletes. They provide a concentrated source of energy and help with the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Opt for healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Understanding macronutrients and their role in sports performance. Macronutrients, including carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, are the main sources of energy for athletes. Each macronutrient plays a specific role in supporting athletic performance. Carbohydrates, as mentioned earlier, are the primary source of energy for the body, especially during high-intensity exercise. They provide quick energy and are essential for optimal performance. Aim to include complex carbohydrates in your diet, such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, as they provide a steady release of energy. Proteins are crucial for muscle repair and growth. During exercise, muscle tissue is broken down, and protein helps rebuild and strengthen these muscles. It's important to consume enough protein to support muscle recovery and growth. Good sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, and plant-based sources like legumes, tofu, and tempeh. Fats are a concentrated source of energy and play a role in hormone production and nutrient absorption. While fats should be consumed in moderation, it's important to include healthy fats in your diet, such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. The role of micronutrients in optimizing sports performance. While macronutrients provide the energy needed for sports performance, micronutrients are just as important for overall health and well-being. Micronutrients include vitamins and minerals, which support various bodily functions. Vitamins are essential for energy production, immune function, and muscle repair. Vitamin C, for example, is important for collagen synthesis and helps with tissue repair. Vitamin D supports bone health and may play a role in muscle function. B vitamins, such as B12 and folate, are involved in energy metabolism. Aim to include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins in your diet to ensure you're getting a wide range of vitamins. Minerals, on the other hand, play a role in muscle contraction, nerve function, and fluid balance. Calcium and magnesium are important for bone health and muscle function. Iron is crucial for oxygen transport and energy production. Zinc supports immune function and wound healing. Include foods like dairy products, leafy greens, nuts, seeds, lean meats, and whole grains to get an adequate intake of minerals. Pre-workout nutrition, fueling your body for optimal performance. What you eat before a workout can significantly impact your performance. Pre-workout nutrition should focus on providing the energy and nutrients needed for exercise, while also preventing discomfort or digestive issues. Carbohydrates should be the main focus of your pre-workout meal or snack. They provide the energy needed for high-intensity exercise. Opt for complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, as they provide a steady release of energy. Avoid consuming large amounts of simple sugars, as they can cause a spike in blood sugar levels followed by a crash. Protein is also important before a workout, as it helps with muscle repair and recovery. Including a small amount of protein in your pre-workout meal or snack can help provide a steady source of amino acids during exercise. Good options include Greek yogurt, a protein shake, or a small serving of lean meat. It's also essential to stay hydrated before a workout. Drink water throughout the day leading up to your exercise session. If you're engaging in intense or prolonged exercise, consider consuming a sports drink that contains electrolytes to replenish any lost during sweating. Post-workout nutrition, recovering and rebuilding muscles. After a workout, your body needs to recover and rebuild. Post-workout nutrition plays a crucial role in replenishing glycogen stores, repairing muscle tissue, and promoting recovery. Carbohydrates are essential post-workout to replenish glycogen stores. Aim to consume a combination of complex carbohydrates and a small amount of simple sugars to provide both immediate and sustained energy. Good options include a banana with nut butter, whole grain toast with avocado, or a smoothie with fruit and Greek yogurt. Protein is also crucial post-workout to support muscle repair and growth. Including a source of protein in your post-workout meal or snack can help kickstart this process. Opt for lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, or plant-based sources like legumes, tofu, or tempeh. In addition to carbohydrates and protein, it's important to rehydrate after a workout. Drink plenty of water to replace any fluids lost through sweating. If you engaged in intense or prolonged exercise, consider consuming a sports drink to replenish electrolytes. Hydration, the key to maintaining optimal sports performance. Proper hydration is crucial for maintaining optimal sports performance. Even mild dehydration can negatively impact your athletic abilities, leading to decreased endurance, strength, and overall performance. The amount of water you need to drink depends on various factors, including your body size, activity level, and environmental conditions. As a general guideline, aim to drink at least 8 cups, 64 ounces, of water per day. If you're engaging in intense or prolonged exercise, you may need to drink even more to replace fluids lost through sweating. In addition to water, sports drinks can be beneficial during prolonged or intense exercise. They contain electrolytes, such as sodium and potassium, which help maintain fluid balance and support muscle function. However, be mindful of the added sugars in sports drinks and opt for lower sugar options when possible. The role of supplements in sports performance. While a well-balanced diet should provide most of the nutrients your body needs, certain supplements can be beneficial for athletes. However, it's important to note that supplements should not replace a healthy diet and should only be used if necessary and under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Creatine is one of the most researched and effective supplements for improving strength and power in high-intensity, short-duration activities. It can help increase muscle mass, enhance exercise performance, and improve recovery. Beta-alanine is another popular supplement that can help improve endurance by increasing the levels of carnosine in the muscles. Carnosine acts as a buffer, reducing the buildup of lactic acid during intense exercise. Branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, are commonly used to promote muscle recovery and reduce muscle soreness. They are particularly beneficial for endurance athletes and those engaging in prolonged exercise. Keep in mind that while some supplements may offer benefits, others may be ineffective or even potentially harmful. Always consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before starting any new supplement regimen. Meal planning for athletes, creating a balanced and nutritious diet. Meal planning is an essential tool for athletes looking to optimize their nutrition. By planning your meals in advance, you can ensure you're getting a well-balanced diet that meets your nutritional needs. Start by calculating your calorie and macronutrient needs based on your activity level, goals, and body composition. This will give you a rough idea of how many calories, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats you should aim for each day. Next, create a meal plan that includes a variety of foods from each food group. Include complex carbohydrates, lean proteins, healthy fats, fruits, vegetables, and dairy or dairy alternatives. Try to include a source of protein in each meal and snack to support muscle repair and growth. Don't forget about meal timing. Distribute your meals and snacks throughout the day to provide a steady source of energy and nutrients. Aim to eat a balanced meal or snack every 3-4 hours to keep your energy levels stable and support optimal performance. Lastly, be flexible and listen to your body. Everyone's nutritional needs are different, so it's important to adjust your meal plan based on your individual preferences, tolerances, and goals. Experiment with different foods, recipes, and meal timing until you find what works best for you. Nutrition myths and misconceptions in sports performance. When it comes to nutrition and sports performance, there are many myths and misconceptions that can lead athletes astray. Let's debunk some common misconceptions and set the record straight. Myth: carbohydrates are bad for athletes. Fact: Carbohydrates are the primary source of energy for athletes and are essential for optimal performance. However, it's important to choose complex carbohydrates that provide a steady release of energy and avoid excessive intake of simple sugars. Myth: protein supplements are necessary for muscle growth. Fact: while protein supplements can be convenient, they are not necessary for muscle growth. It's possible to meet your protein needs through whole foods alone. However, protein supplements can be beneficial for athletes who struggle to meet their protein needs through diet alone. Myth: you need to eat a large meal before exercise. Fact: eating a large meal before exercise can cause discomfort and digestive issues. Instead, opt for a small, balanced snack that provides the energy and nutrients needed for exercise without weighing you down. Myth: sports drinks are always better than water for hydration. Fact: while sports drinks can be beneficial during prolonged or intense exercise, water is usually sufficient for hydration during moderate exercise. Sports drinks should be used strategically and not consumed unnecessarily due to their added sugars. Conclusion: fueling your body for success. Optimizing your nutrition is key to enhancing your sports performance. By fueling your body with the right nutrients, you can improve strength, endurance, and recovery, helping you reach new heights in your athletic pursuits. Remember to focus on macronutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, as well as micronutrients like vitamins and minerals. Plan your meals to ensure you're getting a well-balanced diet that meets your nutritional needs. Stay hydrated and consider supplements if necessary, under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Now that you have a better understanding of the relationship between nutrition and sports performance, it's time to revamp your diet and discover the power of optimal nutrition for sports performance. So get ready to fuel your performance and achieve your goals. Thanks for watching.